The very first robot was fostered, a flying bird which he produced back in around 400 BC. Alcides was a famous Greek researcher of old times, who added to the examination and create of science, reasoning, and stargazing. Besides, the flying bird he designed has a wooden body and uses steam energy for flying. Back in 1921, Karel Capek presents the word robot and utilizations it in his play named Rossum's General Robots. The robots in this play grandstand human-like animal produced with a synthetic structure, which has work productivity of more than 2 men. The incredibly popular craftsman Leonardo da Vinci shockingly was likewise an innovator who planned a mechanical knight who was humanoid structure. Its whole body has protective layer covering with a sword in one of his hand, and its motivation was to serve in the safeguard. In 1937, the earliest modern robot got made, and it was Bill Griffith P. Taylor-programmed crane. The crane's body, made totally from Meccano, leaves behind a solitary electric engine driving its movements. Its capability was to make a heap of wooden blocks in a predefined way. Joseph F. Ingelberger is the dad of advanced mechanics innovation. He, alongside George C. Devil, established the principal robot organization in 1956. The organization name was Unimation. The principal modern robot fabricated by it was the Unimate 01 out of 1961. It works in the production line and performs spot welding and pass-on projecting taken care of. The mechanical robotization in the assembling businesses is accelerating. The nations having the largest number of robots in the assembling business contain South Korea, Germany, Japan, China, Sweden, Switzerland, and the USA. The advanced mechanics in medical services industry is expanding through development. The Arth robot was the principal robot to aid a medical procedure, and the activity was of muscular. Additionally, the medical procedure happens at UBC Emergency Clinic, arranged in Vancouver on Spring 12, 1984. Likewise, Robotic was the primary careful robot, which got endorsement from the FDA. The US military utilizes robot for an enormous scope, for observation and dropping rocket. Around 4,000 robots are available in US military, which helped them in an alternate mission. Blades was the very first ground robot stacked with a light assault rifle, and aided the USA Armed Force mission in Iraq. Japan is the biggest maker of robots on the planet, with in excess of half of the world's robot made in Japan. They have a great deal of robots working in their lodgings as staff. Likewise, a few manufacturing plants run completely by robots, and they make different robots. Besides, kids are shown about how to make a mechanical arm in occasion projects. Robots working in enterprises was a dream 50 years back, which transformed into reality in the present time. As time propels, one can expect huge improvement in man-made reasoning in robots, performing more essential errands.